One good thing about the ocean is you always know which way is in. Another good thing is that there's so gosh darn much of it, and touching it makes me glow like the stars, and I ripple off them waves real pretty.
We have to start thinking collaboratively, we have to start thinking in terms of communications and connection, and we have to start inventing new structures that will essentially are feasible economically. And if in fact everybody got up this morning and said, you know, my job today is to save the world, maybe we'd have a shot.
A mere 6 months ago, with just an idea and a strange word called the Bioneers, and a strange concept of deconstructed silos, cross-pollinating each other's domains. It is the marriage of head and heart. It is the confluence of social justice and environmentalism. It is the 3 days coming together in person for all of us longing for community, more than our individual unique communities, but that larger sense of community. It is one place to find it.
This is the time when new things are born. And necessity is the mother of invention, and it's kind of scary, and there's a lot of stuff happening and things are crumbling, and I think that a lot of good is going to come from these times. We're creating a space where it's okay to be moved, and that's part of what you're supposed to do here.
Even if it comes down to one person, is that it matters what that person does, you know, and it's like a candle. You know, you're in a dark room, you light the candle. Well, the light of that candle is Bioneers. The moment that we realize that we are connected to creation, to Earth, Earth as our cosmic common mother, then by definition, you become my brother.
Also, looking to nature for sources of inspiration and also actual models of how to solve problems. It's all connected, it's all alive, it's all relatives. Those really speak to me.
There has to be balance. When you put too much weight on this side of the scale, it tips it. We need balance. We as educators, as artists, as musicians, as researchers, it's really up to us.
We're in a period of time where everything we took for granted that was stable appears to be up for grabs, whether we're looking at climate or whether we're looking at the financial markets. And you can feel it in the energy in the room here, this sense of kinship and excitement and possibility and commitment to move forward. And you know, those are powerful things. I think the real question is, how do we get people to pay attention?
And it's this kind of emotional response to our places that we need to weave in to inspire environmental action.
And Bioneers is one of the few opportunities that many of us will get to engage in discussions about issues that are beyond the ones we're dealing with every day in our lives. So often we get fixated on fighting or opposing the thing that we don't like instead of building the thing that we do like.
The land level is constantly sinking, so grab your good humor and bob.